Hello everyone, this is Taryn with Wonderfully Made Handcrafting. Today I have an unboxing for you of a brand new fountain pen for me. This has been on my radar for quite some time. I've been waiting for it to come back in stock. And so without further ado, let me introduce you to my Franklin-Christoph Model 03 modified which means no clip, I believe, antique glass special edition. So I just got this in the mail the other day and have been waiting to unbox it here. So let's unwrap. I've been eyeing this now for a couple months actually, and done a lot of research on what nib I wanted. It took me forever to figure out which one I wanted because there's so many different options. But I did decide on when their custom S.I.G Extra Fine nibs. Okay, so you have those, and then in case you don't want to fill it up with ink yourself, you have 3 different cards. So you have you have received a S.I.G nib, specially ground at Franklin-Christoph by Audrey. And like I said, I chose an extra fine. So it's a stub italic gradient nib. And then this is just your lifetime warranty card. And then some information about their company in case you want to check them out. But Franklin-Christoph, I was really excited. They are based in Raleigh, which obviously I am not exactly near, but I do live in North Carolina. So anyways, this is such a pretty little pouch that it comes with. A nice leather pouch with their logo right here. Very pretty. And then in here, let's see. Ta-da! I just think this is so gorgeous. So this is supposed to look like antique glass, obviously is the name, but kind of like one of those old Coke bottles. And I just think it's so pretty. So this is the cap. I like this part right here. I don't know. It's fun how it has that extra little bit right there. And then this has that kind of texture. Sorry, I'm trying to get the camera to focus, but it has that texture on the inside of some antique glass. So it's very smooth on the outside. And the grip section is very nice as well. There is my nib by Audrey. And then I was thinking of doing a little writing sample. So let's check this out. So I think I'm going to fill this up with the Ugly Duckling by Wearingle. I haven't been able to use this ink yet. I just got it for Christmas, I believe. And so I'm really excited to check it out. I've picked this because it doesn't have any shimmer or sheen in it. And this being an extra fine, I want to make sure I take care of it really well. So let's check this out. Now, like I said, they do come with 2 cartridges, a black and a blue. In case you don't want to use the converter, you can just put these in and then you have instant ink with probably less mess, but I like doing this because I like picking out my own inks. So let me unbox this, the Ugly Duckling. I've seen this in swatches and I really love the look of it because when it dries it has almost this pink look to it, but it's a nice gray. And ooh, it's tight. Let me grab a paper towel real quick so I can clean up if there's any mess. Okay, we're all set now. Let's move this. And let me make sure I'm all set. Move this down. I'm so excited. What is really cool about Franklin-Christoph is that with their website, You can click notify me for any pen that is currently out of stock. And they have like almost a wait list for the notify me. Like, I forget how many they send out. But I read about it in their facts. And so, like the first one that clicked notify me, the first couple will be notified first when they come back in stock. Obviously, this doesn't guarantee you a spot at one of the pens, but it does give you first notification of that. And then every hour that they still have some in stock, they will send out more emails to those who have clicked the notify me. So let's put this pen together back. So pretty. I don't know why I want to cap it, but I just want to see. It's so beautiful. It's going to be so good with just any color ink, really. Let me get my Rhodia notebook out. And we will do a little writing sample. So this is my first S.I.G nib. So let's write just about the pen. This is a really light ink too. Probably not the best ink to showcase. Franklin-Christoph. Then it is a Model 03 modified. I really like this nib. And then I have a number 6 steel nib. And then that is their S.I.G by Audrey. We'll make Audrey's name fancy. So anyways, I really love this. Look at the, you can get some line variations with it. So yeah, I'm going to play around with this a little bit more, but I am loving it. Again, like I said, probably not the best ink to showcase this, but actually you can see it pretty good in the camera. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of my new Franklin-Christoph pen. This is my first pen by them as well. So thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys.